Finally, nakausap ko na rin si Senator Kiko Pangilinan tungkol sa issue ng corruption na hinaharap ng ating bansa ngayon. Maganda yung mga insights na binigay niya dun sa nangyaring acquittal ni Juan Ponce Enrile at yung mga kasabot dun sa Napoles scandal at ano ba yung epekto niya dito sa hinaharap natin ngayong biggest corruption scandal sa buong history ng Pilipinas. At dito, binanggit din niya yung role ng judiciary at ng ating judicial system para either makatulong na maitigil na itong korupsyon o maging parte sa problema ng korupsyon. At yun na nga yung sinasabi kong matagal na I think talaga na nakorrupt na talaga lahat ng branches ng ating gobyerno. At panoorin niyo yung video hanggang dulo kasi dito magbibigay siya ng magandang payo para sa ating mga mamamayan. Kung ano ba yung trabaho natin at tungkulin natin bilang Pilipino para makatulong dito sa laban sa korupsyon at gaano tayo kaimportante dito. Kasi marami sa ating mga kababayan na nawawalan na ng pag-asa pero meron tayong pwedeng gawin. At ang ganda ng payo na binigay ni Kiko Pangilinan dito na kailangan yung panoorin. At babagitin ko na rin na nagpunta ako dun sa walang korap, walang mahirap campaign ng Liberal Party. At dito namin ginawa yung interview na sobrang ingay nung hall. Pero pakinggan nyo na naririnig pa rin yung audio namin kahit di kami sumisigaw. Dahil gamit namin itong mic na to, itong Maono mic na to. Sobrang linaw nga, bilib nga ako. Hindi ko nga akalain na makaka-capture nga yung audio at yung sinasabi ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan at sinasabi ko. At ito yung ginagamit kong mic tuwing lumalabas ako at maingay yung environment, kaya nasa mall ka o kung nasan ka man, para maganda yung audio mo. Ayan, dalawa pa yung mic. So merong isang mic nakakabit kay Sen Kiko at may isang mic nakakabit sa akin. Nakikita naman yun sa video yan eh. Anyway, iwan ko yung link sa video para kung gusto niyo na to at click lang yung link. Panoorin niyo tong video na to.
Hi, Sen Kiko. You know what? Ang dami nangyayari ngayong mga problema sa ating bansa, obviously. What about the recent news that came out na former Senator Juan Ponce Enrile has been acquitted from all charges? Graf, I think, if I remember correctly. What's your thoughts on that?
Well, I already said that before. At one point, the biggest corruption scandal was Napoles.
Yes.
And I already said that if at that time the Sandigan Bayan convicted those who were charged, because there were about 100 congressmen who got somehow linked to the Napoles scandal, about 15 or 20 senators. So I said, baka kung hindi nalusutan yung Napoles, baka hindi na nangyari itong mas malaking flood control scandal.
Yes.
And that's where impunity has reigned. Ultimately, and I was saying this judiciary budget because I'm defending the judiciary budget. I said in the other hall, I came from there. That's where the Blue Ribbon Committee is hearing the largest corruption scandal in the history of the country. But if you think about it, it is in this hearing that all of that will eventually lead dito. So the people are asking, baka wala na namang mangyari rito. Wala na namang makukulong. Wala namang mananagot. So it's really, in the end, the judiciary, the justice system that has to step up.
Yeah, and so I heard kanina what your speech kanina when you were speaking about judiciary, and then at tuloy masasabi ko the problem I have with the judiciary, wala nang tiwala yung tao sa kanila. They have lost the people's confidence and trust, especially with all the different rulings, including the impeachment complaint. It was very disappointing. And I know you've spoken out about this. How does the judiciary fix this, considering that the impeachment was a really big issue?
The justices and judges are also human beings.
Yes.
Ultimately, if the people are unrelenting in their goal for accountability, sana marinig at kumilos na ang ating judikatura. I talked to one of the justices. In fact, I mentioned it na ang pinag-aaralan din nila they're looking at what's happening in the country today.
They do.
And therefore, sa akin, sabi ko nga, the best safeguard against abuse is a vigilant citizenry. If you will remember, I don't know if you will recall, but I was one of the first who said the ICI should have public proceedings.
Yes.
I said that. Because people don't want cover-ups. People don't want sweeping things under the rug. Hindi sila papayag sa whitewash. And they want to see it for themselves. And I said, baka magising na lang isang araw ang ICI at nirarally na sila sa mga bahay, sa harap ng bahay. So I think, in the end, the judiciary will have to step up.
Yeah.
And they are the final arbiter. And they have to step up here. Otherwise, people, baka magising sila isang araw, nirarally na sila sa mga bahay nila.
Yeah.
Wag naman sana.
Yes, and on the last note, congratulations for releasing your salin.
Yes, thank you.
And I hope that our justices will also release theirs.
Well,
And your fellow senators.
Yes.
Ilan pa lang kayo na nag-release so far?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Pero meron kami yung mga group chat. And doon, sabi nila, more of them are going to break. At least sabi nila, ilalabas sila. So let's wait.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much. And Sen Kiko, I really appreciate what you said. And for the viewers right now, ang maganda sinabi ni Sen Kiko is be vigilant.
Yes.
Speak out.
Yes.
We will be there November 30.
Yes.
We will
Yes.
speak out and
Yeah.
we will hold all branches of government accountable.
Yes. Dapat. Kasi nga, sabi nga nila, democracy is not a spectator sport, sabi ni one of the directors, Michael Moore. Lahat tayo, player. Lahat tayo, kinakailangan mag-contribute para palakasin ang pananagutan, accountability. Again, uulitin ko, this is the largest corruption scandal in the history of the Philippines. And I said this before, I'll say it again. Sabi ni Dante, nung nanunulat, the hottest place in hell is reserved for those who during times of moral crisis choose to remain neutral.
Oh, wow.
None of us can be neutral in this. We either are part of the problem or part of the solution. And being part of the solution, speaking up, and clamoring, mobilizing, organizing, posting your opinions and your convictions on social media. Lahat tayo dapat part of the solution.
Great. Thank you so much, Sen Kiko. I appreciate your time.
Thank you. And,
All right.
and I think you won't be in the hottest place in hell. You'll probably be meeting St. Peter because of your conviction.
I hope not too soon.
Not too soon.
Yeah.